Dear students, we have already discussed the introduction of the second lesson, Lost Spring, as well as the summary of first part. Now, I am going to tell you the summary of second part of the second lesson. I want to drive a car. The second part start with this dream of a deprived child. In this story, the author is visiting Firozabad, the center for India's blowing industry, glass, glass blowing industry. Here, generations of families spend all their daylight hours working the dinghies without air and light, welding glass and making bangles for women. Mukesh is one of such family. No children from these families go to school. They all go with their parents to make bangles. The adults do not realize that it is illegal for these young children to work. Many of them often become blind before they become adult. This is because they are not used to bright light. They spend all their daylight hours working in glass furnaces with high temperatures. As the author escorted by Mukesh to his house, she walks through that stinging lanes filled with garbage, and after that, she reaches the broken huts without windows. Man and animal coexist. Generally, we see in the garbage or the lanes which are filled with garbage, animals and poor people live together in same place, coexistence. Just like in old time, people live with the animals. Author describes that in Mukesh family, a woman was making preparing meal for entire family. She is the daughter-in-law, and the old man is proud of work, his work, although he has not accomplished anything and has not sent either his sons to school. Mukesh's grandmother calls bangles making her destiny. Notice this destiny, bhagya. Many years ago, Mukesh, many years ago, the dust from polish of glass bangles had turned her husband blind. Town is filled with flickering lamps, welding pieces of colored glass into bangles. Savita, a young girl, sits beside the elderly woman, shouldering pieces of glass. She does not understand it why Bengals are considered sacred, holy, pavitra, and what value they will have in her life one day. Years of hard work have made even young lose their ability to dream of a better life. They do not have any leaders to help them. They do not organize themselves into a cooperative as they are ones who got beaten and up, then dragged to jail. These poor people just move from poverty to apathy, to greed and to injustice. This community lives in two worlds. This community live in two worlds. दो दुनिया में ये लोग रहते हैं जैसे कि one is the family caught in wave of poverty as they are burdened by the caste in which they are born, and other is the vicious circles of money lenders, middlemen, policemen, keepers of the law, bureaucrats, and politicians. Unfortunately, they have imposed the same baggage on the children who have lost their childhood, and they are forced to live a life under burden. However, Mukesh is different as he is only child who dares to dream. He wants to become a motor mechanic. Although garbage is long distance away, he is not deterred. He will walk there as he is determined to learn to drive as well. In a more light-hearted manner, the author asks if he also dreams of flying aeroplane. There is a silence and embarrassment as Mukesh has only seen cars rushing fast. No aeroplanes fly over Firozabad. Dear students, listen the summary and try to grasp with the main content of the lesson. After that, we start the explanation of the text. Thank you.